guys, Joe for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the PUMA Trinomic XT-2 RHUIGI. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the PUMA Trinomic XT-2 RHUIGI. We've got this in the sand dune grey granola colorway. I love granola. And we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's a European 41, and it's a US 8.5. So before we get unboxing, let's have a little look at the box. It's in this really dope design, a lot of pinstripes all around, and you can see the PUMA strip faintly with that gold accents. So for those that don't know, RHUIGI Villaseñor, this is the main collaborator of this sneaker. He is an LA designer, founded RHUIGI, and big him up as well. Big shout out to RHUIGI. If you're watching, we know that you are. He hails from the Philippines, just like us here at Oneupreviewz. Well, 2/3 of us are Filipino, but yeah. So this is a really big deal. Great to have a Filipino designer and actually review his sneakers. So this isn't the first drop they did with RHUIGI. They did some Clydes and that pink, I think it was a pink Clyde. Wasn't able to get it, but I do remember like someone I work with, they've got the pink pair, the Clydes. They were dope, but we were here to look at the Trinomic XT-2. Here they are. Very, very clean. It's very neutral, friendly. Right there for you. It's not as wild as the Clydes because those were just like pink hair. Those were dope. These are very dope themselves. So let's get started with the review. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see the Trinomic technology used here. It reminds me of the honeycomb flexes that you can find on a pair of like Reebok ventilators. You can see it there. But essentially it's like these little hexagons or like honeycombs that when you squash together provides the comfort. You can see it in the translucent parts, you can see it through there, but the main sole is a rubber outsole. All around we've got the traction padding, we've got the PUMA logo. Also, midsole unit, so this midsole unit is a foam midsole, round, so you've got the nice colours there to accent the sneaker. You've got in like that blue, that orange also. And the main body of the sneaker, so for those that don't know, the Trinomic XT-2, sorry, get that correct, is a running inspired sneaker from the 90s from PUMA. You can see it's very 90s looking, they're very retro feel. At the upper, so you got a mix of materials all around. So you've got hits of suede, you can see the hairy suede at the toe box, suede paneling as well, you can see like the little textures right there. And it is also all around the sneaker. So if you look at the lateral side, you've got the PUMA strip in the suede, in that grey. Like parts of the lace paneling there as well is made of suede in that nice oat milk. It's very off-white, but tanny. There we go, that's the colour we're looking for. Flat laces there, normal lacing system. And you've got the PUMA Trinomic logo. It's big and bold on the tongue. It's very nicely cushioned because obviously the sneaker was designed for running. At the back, you've got the PUMA Wildcat logo there, the Trinomic in the cut, and you have part leather, part synthetic gel insole. You've got the PUMA RHUIGI logo there also. That rounds off my review. Really excited to try these on. Big shout out to RHUIGI Villaseñor if you were watching, and we know that you are. Big shout out to you. Keep up the great work. Repping pinoys everywhere. And I'm going to try these on for you. So all that footage of me trying this Trinomic XT-2 on for you.
It's Chris that got the Fenty.
When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size PUMA fit. I'm typically a UK size 7.5. These 7.5s fit perfectly in terms of where they need to be. The laces, I could adjust them a bit better because they're a bit big. Like adding them into the other lace loops, but that's just me. Very comfortable. Big shout out to RHUIGI if you're watching, and we know that you are. Keep up the great work. And here's a 360 for you. For those wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of Uniqlo cargo joggers. Don't think you can get these in the store anymore. These are really old, and that's just me adding some fashion tips for you. If you like what you saw, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on TikTok and on Instagram. Until next time, guys, peace.